Say something, man.
You know I be, chilling, doing my thing, whatever. Throwing them threes up, throwing that square up, sprint.
Get up, man. Get up. Do the dance. Do the club dance.
You know how I do it.
Do the.
I'm finna hit him with that. This is what I call that shooter bang bang. That bang bang get up. You hear me? They go like that. And that's how you do shooting. I swing them like this. Then I blow them off and wind them up and put them back on my side and hit them with that booty rat. You know what I'm saying? Do the dun dun do it.
Dun dun dun.
Oh yeah.
We all got some ratchet in. Oh, this little sister.
Oh no. Come on now, get out here.
That little bitch, really.
It's me. Know what I'm saying?
Let me do my thing. Let me get it. Right. Let me do my thing.
You know where I be at?
That's what he hollering.
You know where I be right here.
Let me hold my hood up.
Is that square?
Let me do my square tail.
I mess with a few, Get out of here. That's how I handle it. That's how I handle these hoes.
Let me do my video.
That's how I handle these hoes on camera.
I'm doing me a boo.
Exclusive. See these ratchet hoes? Come on. Look, get that. Get her ratchet. Get her ratchet. Ratchet ass hoes. Look, get her. Ratchet ass. You gotta curse on her with me so they
Ratchet hoe, ugly hoe, ratchet hoe,
ratchet hoes. Look,
Ain't no ratchet up in me, I'm telling you. I ain't ratchet. That's one thing to really tell it with. I ain't ratchet.
That hoe is ratchet.
Shut up.
That's a boo. Oh, on camera. Oh, get him. On camera. Oh, he jacked her. He knocked her. Knocked out.
Don't give me something.
Ew. My time to shine.
Give me
something.
Exclusive, man. You don't get it like this on TV. Look.